And, but you can get curbside food.
So how do I do that?
So there's a menu online.
You can't really get close to people. You have to pay attention to where everybody is, where you are, what you're doing, what you're touching. But you also want to help people out and do your part. So we're out to help the business, get a little lunch, buy a few flowers.
Well, I wish her well because it's so disrupting for them.
Typically, you might greet customers with a hug or some sort of contact, and you can't do that now. So it's, a lot of saying air hugs and, smiling underneath our masks and everything. So it is a bit of a challenge, but, like this entire pandemic, we've just been taking it in stride as best we can and going with it and, figuring it out like everybody else.
Stop and smell the flowers? Oh. Because I'm talking
I was on the other.
You can take it right out and you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
This is
When we get back in the car, we put the alcohol sanitizer on our hands because of touching things and trying to stay away from people. I can see right now that's going to be a problem because how can you maintain social distancing in a small space? But we'll have to be inventive.
Is this for sale, huh? Or is it just...
That is, yeah. It's just...